guys, you know who it is. It's your boy Alex Audio Tech coming at you guys with another unboxing from Amazon. This is Conbby. I'm guessing it's a Chinese brand. I don't know why the box doesn't have the display of the speaker, but it will be provided down in the comment section down below. I think the speaker was like 60 bucks, 60-something dollars. Let me look it up for you guys right now. I don't know why the box doesn't show like the name and the stuff, you know, like, I don't know. This is the first time I've received a box like this. And it doesn't mean that the speaker's refurbished is brand new. It's just the brand didn't want to expend no money on the, you know, advertisement. So it's 60 watts, 4,000 milliamp battery, 10 hours of playback time, IPX5 waterproof, RGB lights. What else? It's blue, is an outdoor speaker, and it's from the brand Conbby. It's with a C, Conbby. So let's get this Conbby speaker unboxed. Let's see what it looks like. Okay, we got the manual, as you guys can see, manual. Put that back in the box. Let's pull out the little speaker. So yes, this speaker's around 50-something bucks. Yes, 50 plus taxes, 50-something. So it does the reverse charging. We got USB Type A to USB Type C, but we don't have an aux cable for you aux cable lovers out there. So here goes the Conbby speaker in its glory. It's small. I thought it would be bigger. Oh, that sounds cool. And we got the lights. So here goes the lights. Looks nice. We got lights on the passive radiators. And then in the back, we got the USB Type A for reverse charging, USB Type C to charge it, aux cable, and memory card slot. I like this little orange outlay. And look at how thick the rubber stump is to protect it from water, so it doesn't get damaged with water. So let's pair it up to my iPhone 15 Pro. You guys know this is my favorite iPhone to pair with. Let me close out this copyrighted music. I don't want no beef with YouTube and copyrighted music. And let's see what's the model number that it comes out under Bluetooth, to see what, you know, what it says under Bluetooth. Give me a second, guys. Bluetooth. Okay. So I'm guessing this is the speaker right here. No, that says Echo Show. My bad. Echo Show. I guess it's H9. Let's see if that's it. Yep. So it's going to come out under H9 for your Bluetooth. All right. And I'm pretty sure it has different light shows. We'll look into that. It's 60 watts of raw power, 10 hours of playback time. I like it because it has this little neat handle. It looks nice. Like, I feel they should have made a handle like this for the Tridbit, the new one. That's what I don't like about it. And other speaker brands, take notice. Yes, a handle. So let's go to non-copyrighted music, baby. All right, hold on, guys. Here we go. Non-copyrighted music. Loving the lights, though. I think they look cool.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger.
And they got it in black. I want it blue.
But there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town.
Nice bass, too. It's not even all the way up, so let's turn it all the way up. See what this bass sounds like.
Trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We you always tonight. We will fly above the sky. We wanna hear you always tonight. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul.
So as you guys can see, the power button is the one to change the colors of the lights. Definitely a great speaker, sounds really loud.
But I'm just getting started. My eyes on the target. You're the battles won, still kingdom
As we can see, guys, it's a very loud speaker. And then for the size of it, it's a small speaker, and it sounds really, really loud. Okay, guys, so I can't have the music super loud because of something. So, the speaker does sound loud. It packs a punch. 60 watts on this little speaker. It's kind of heavy. I wouldn't say it's the lightest speaker. It's supposed to weigh like 3 or 4 pounds. It says on the description. And the bass. A lot of people say, oh man, we're that full. Yo, most of these speakers don't have bass buttons. Okay? And the bass is great. I love this speaker. It looks elegant. It's really elegant. It's something you can have in your living room, chilling, listening to jazz or whatever type of music you want to listen to. So, we are definitely going to put the speaker through the test. Remember that in the pin down in the comment section down below, the affiliate link will be there for your purchase. So you can get one. Trust me, you will love this little speaker. So let's play a song, you know, non-copyrighted song that, see, this is where I listen to music from. No copyright sound. Let's go here. Boom. Just look at the pace. At halfway in this bass is hitting hard. I don't regret this purchase at all, guys. Great little speaker. Oh my god, I was trying to turn the lights back on, guys. Let's consider that a blooper. I like how it does. Hold on. Chrissy's parking. Go be nosy. Go. Go. Go be nosy. Go be nosy. Take your crocodile friend. Every time he hears somebody knocking on the door, my dog wants to be nosy. So anyway, let's continue with this. I'm just gonna leave the lights on because I don't know how to turn them on after I turn them on. And I think the lights look cool. I like it. Try this a little bit higher. At $50, what this speaker is valued at is a great buy. The light show, the bass, the loudness, 60 watts. It really does pack a punch. Let's turn it up all the way up for not too long. So like I said, you know, you guys heard the speaker. Sounds great, 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 great. go to the next one. Let's see.
Maybe I'm an alien. Must be something heaven sent. Payback for the love I spent. Oh my, this time I'ma keep it going. Stay fucked up, feel so good. High on my, the sky underneath my feet. It never looked so good. Oh my, that's right. I'ma keep it up, stay fucked up, that's my mood. Oh my euphoria. Pretty close to heaven now. Moments of euphoria. I am never coming down. Oh my, this time I'ma keep it going. Stay fucked up, feel so good. High on my, the sky underneath my feet. It never looked so good. Oh my, that's right. I'ma keep it up, stay fucked up, that's my mood. Oh my euphoria. Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Fade in, fade out, always caught up in the sound. You're up, I'm down, I kinda miss having you around. You watched me fall apart, time and time again. Couldn't lose you in the end. But if you call my name, it'll be okay. I'm never gonna leave without you. I'm never gonna leave without you. You got me looking on the bright side, staring into your eyes. We can make it through the night. I've been thinking about the good times, wishing we could rewind. I wanna leave it all behind. You watched me fall apart, time and time again. Couldn't lose you in the end. But if you call my name, it'll be okay. I'm never gonna leave without you. I'm never gonna leave without you. No sound of my heart beating low. I'm never gonna leave without you. I'm never gonna leave without you.
So once again, guys, a great sounding speaker. Doesn't need a bass button. The lights, the bass, like I said, I can't turn it all the way up. This video was kind of midway. Not as loud as I always have it for like a whole straight half an hour, because my daughter's doing something important on the computer, so I can't be super loud because this room is connected to her room and the walls are really thin, so she can hear the super loud music and she can't concentrate for school. So yeah, so I had to bring down the volume. But this speaker, as you guys can see, with the low volume, I imagine this is non-copyrighted music. I could imagine in copyrighted music how loud and how much bass it's gonna provide. So I'll keep you guys posted. Like I said, in the comment section down below, I will have the full, the affiliate link, which helps out the channel because right now I'm not monetized. All these speakers are coming out of pocket. I don't really reach out to companies like that. You know, if they want to reach out to me, you know, I think I put the email there so they can reach out to me. If they want to do a collab, send me a speaker for me to review. But yeah, in the comment section down below, the affiliate link, this is definitely worth $50. If I ever bought a speaker that was worth $50, this is definitely it. Definitely it. The package, how small it is. Love the little handle design. Just love the colors, blue, orange. They do have a black one. I was gonna buy the black one. The black one just had this black, you know, the handle black, and it still has the orange outlay. So both of them have the, you know, the overlay of orange. But a great little speaker, man. As a gift for, you know, your grandparent, your father, your brother, your significant other, your kid. So they don't, you know, they'll still drive you crazy because this is 60 watts. It is really loud. But, you know, at a small, compact size, easy to carry. You know, if your son likes listening to music and wants to hide it in his book bag, well, you can put the speaker in the book bag and it'll definitely fit with no problem. And it'll sound loud. It'll sound outside the book bag. Because I notice a lot of high school kids over here, because I do security at McDonald's, a lot of the kids be having their speakers in their book bag. You know, and they put it on their back and they ride their bike or their electric scooter, whatever they're riding. But they're jamming the music. You know what I'm saying? Because that way they could have paid attention to the cars. You know, when you have earplugs in your ear, you're all into the music. You can't hear what's around you. At least with this in your book bag, in your kid's book bag, they can still hear sirens and emergency vehicles and all that. You know, and don't gotta worry about getting hit by no car. You know what I'm saying? So definitely, I highly recommend it. Like I said, the affiliate link in the bottom will be provided. I love this little speaker. I recommend it. Maybe tomorrow or the next day I'll do a shorts. And I got another unboxing either tomorrow or Sunday. Because I'm going to try to do unboxings every other day. You know, every other day. So, yeah. So that way I can have one day to rest and think about what I'm going to do the next day. So every other day I'm going to post on this channel. Different speakers, you know, review speakers and stuff like that. But thank you for the support, man. Thank you to all the new subscribers. Keep subscribing, keep liking, keep commenting. And I'm going to keep pushing out this content for you guys. And keep supporting your boy by clicking on them affiliate links to purchase these speakers and products. Well, speakers mainly. That I unbox and review on this channel. It's highly appreciated. This one is definitely a major cop, a major buy. Get yourself one for yourself or for your significant other. Look, it just looks elegant. It looks like a little old jukebox. You see? It has these little stomps right here, so it looks great, man. I love the design of it. Mashed out with this little, you know, line right here, and you don't need a bass button, and it has really good bass, you know, so. Definitely a little speaker I could recommend, guys. So like I like to say, guys, take care, God bless, and be safe. Get yourself one and thank me later. Down in the comment section, pinned down below, will be the affiliate link to this speaker. These are 3-inch subwoofers in the front. You know, and it's a 60-watt peak power speaker. So yeah, guys, you all ready, and thank you for watching.